ahli manusia ketika dibaca akan ditinggalkan itu baik. Insya Allah. Berat. Nadiyu. Amat kene katakan halusnya. Tenang, mana? Hari kata berikutnya apa? Hari kata 11, 10.
Halo semuanya. Cek. Selamat sore semuanya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi bersama saya Ita Milataka dalam Kultumetri episode 4 ya. Kali ini akan kebetulan kita kedatangan satu narasumbernya dari Filipina ya. Namanya Mr. Kyle Kino Idalangin. Oke, sebentar lagi kita akan undang narasumbernya.
Tadinya orang tarik maca Al-Quran, dari maca Al-Quran tarik hijrah. Ya, hijrah mana? Wiyah perubahan dinasab.
Akan undang narasumber kita pada kesempatan kali ini.
Hai Tom.
Halo.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
Nice to meet you. Is so far ya. Oke, sekarang kita udah bergabung ya bersama kita semua. Ada Kyle Kino Idalangin ya. Beliau adalah dokter optometri di Filipina. Oke. How about COVID in Philippines now, Kino?
What?
How about COVID-19
COVID.
in
So
Philippines?
we are on a lockdown again. So
Wow.
yes.
How long?
I think 1 month. 1 month. Yes.
So you can practice again
Yes.
at your school. It's same in Indonesia. It's still lockdown, but no law. And I think now we
No.
can activity again.
Yes. No face-to-face class.
Yes. Mask using mask.
Yes.
Okay, we take the
So
topic is how's
we can
about
start.
optometry study in Philippines, yeah.
Yes. So I can share my my techniques, the basic clinical procedures here in the Philippines.
Oh,
Ba-
okay, sure.
Okay, so I am Kyle. Okay, I
Okay.
am Kyle Kino Dalangin. I am a graduate of CEU School of Optometry. So for those who do not know, I went to Tasikmalaya last October 2019 to present my low vision case. So
Jadi
I will,
Kino ini pernah ke Tasik di Oktober ya, dari Oktober 2019 pernah ke Tasik, jadi kita pernah ketemu ya di sana. Yes.
so I will be sharing my knowledge for basic
Okay.
comprehensive eye exam. These are just the basics. So we will enumerate it one by one. So first, the most important part is the case history taking. So it may sound simple, but it is the most important part because
Yes.
from there you can know what tests should be done, what is the tentative diagnosis, the management before we proceed to the tests proper. So after that, we can perform the visual acuity testing. So what what chart are you using there in Indonesia?
Sorry, pardon me.
What visual acuity chart are you using in Indonesia?
We using Snellen at
Snellen.
6 meter.
Okay.
Snellen, Logmar.
Log.
But Logmar is too hard. I think Logmar is too hard for
We use
for low
ano,
vision, yeah.
okay, low vision. We use Bailey Low V, ETDRS.
Bailey Lofi, yeah.
Yeah. So after getting the VA, you can perform the pinhole test to know if there is
Yes.
any pathology. Yes. So after that, you can perform NPA, NPC. Do you perform that?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Using a rep rule, yeah.
Rap roll, yes.
Rep rule, yeah.
And then you can proceed to cover test for the deviation. To know the deviation, the latent deviation, and the diplopia, if
Yeah.
to know if there's any suppression. So, and the next one is Perla. Perla is
Yes, Perla.
pupil. Okay. So, yun na. And then the ocular motility to know the integrity of the ocular muscle. How do you perform ocular motility?
In here we using a broad edge test. Broad edge, yes.
Yes.
Yes,
To measure
broad
the
edge.
duction, divergence, and
Yes,
acadic nerve.
yes.
After that, I think you always do this, the slit lamp biomicroscopy.
Yeah.
To know the state of ocular health, the ocular adnexia, the
Yes. Checks.
So it's almost identical naman the procedures in after that you can perform ophthalmoscopy. Okay. Can do optometrists in Indonesia perform?
In Indonesia, we using ophthalmoscope, but it's habitually is using by ophthalmologists. No, with
Okay.
optometrists in here. Yeah, it's not yet.
So it is good then to be to familiarize
Yes.
to be familiarized on performing ophthalmoscopy because we are primary eye care providers. So we can anything we see we can
Yes, yes.
how do you call it? We can endorse it to the ophthalmologist. Okay. Next one is the keratometry, the measurement of central apical cornea. Okay, so we can know if it is a corneal astigmatism or if it's lenticular.
Yes.
And right after that, we can perform retinoscopy. Static and dynamic retinoscopy. For static, we can know the patient's EOR. For dynamic, we can know the lag of accommodation, the patient's age.
Is there using MEM? No.
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 The dynamic VT number 5.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Using +2 +1 1.50, yeah. With the working lens working. No.
Okay, so after that, we can perform the VT7 already. Okay, so after that, we can perform photometry testing for FORIA. Okay, so do you perform the 21 visual tests?
Sorry.
Do you perform the 21 visual test procedure?
The procedure in Indonesia, I think, same like in Philippines, but uh, in Indonesia is we can do all, and we can is part of all. It's not all to measure, because like
Okay.
ophthalmoscope, we can do it, and then I think slit lamp in Indonesia, the user is ophthalmologist, not optometrist. So we study a little, not for all.
Okay.
Not all for procedure we can do it.
Okay.
I think. Uh,
You
how
can
do?
also
Mm,
perform basic lang, visual field in a
visual
normal
field.
optometry setup. Do you know the confrontation test?
Yes, yes. We also
Yeah.
use the confrontation.
Okay. Slurred read
Yes,
for
absolutely.
patients with retinal problems, stereopsis, and color vision.
Stereopsis.
So that would be the basic. It's almost identical with Indonesia, I think. How many years in Indonesia the to study in optometry?
Optometrist in Indonesia is 3 years, but
Three.
now we have 4 years at Jakarta. New study optometrist.
Okay.
It's new, but the lecturer at Malaysia, Singapore,
Hmm.
not in Indonesia, because we haven't a lecturer.
Okay.
We haven't a basically optometrist lecturer in Indonesia.
Okay.
Okay, Kino, how how do you feel when you enter the optometrist study? It's your dreams or not?
Oh. When I first wait lang. It is not my dream to be an
Oh.
optometrist.
Mm.
So when I went to the school of CEU,
Oh.
I just
Yeah.
ano, my sister said to enroll here, and then I loved it naman.
Oh, it's the first year. It's not your dream to
Yeah.
entering the optometrist, but
Back
your
back
sister.
back back then I don't have a dream.
Oh, but now,
Yeah. I love optometry.
after you enter on to optometry program, I think slowly you can love it.
Mm. Especially when you're handling patients.
Yes.
Yes.
And in Philippines, how about study in there?
It is a 6-year degree program. After that, you should be able to pass the licensure exam. So it is a written and practical. Okay.
You can although you have a certificate after your
Yeah.
graduate, certificate of the
A
program.
diploma.
Yes.
Yes.
6 years or 8 years?
6 years.
6 years.
Yes.
Jadi teman-teman di sana ternyata 6 tahun ya, ternyata untuk sekolah optometri itu memang berbeda ya, seperti di Indonesia, salah satunya di Tasikmalaya kita hanya 3 tahun ya. Kalau misalkan di sana bisa sampai 6 tahun, ternyata memang lumayan juga ya. How about study in Philippines? It's too hard or it's very simple?
Every profession is hard. So you just have to work through it. If there are
because
any of your students who want to enroll in CEU, you can contact me so I can help them.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay, okay. It's a 6 years. Okay. Are you ever boring or not?
Uh, no, no,
No.
I didn't get bored. I just love to, doing what I'm doing.
Oke, berarti di sana memang lumayan juga ya, hampir sama sebenarnya seperti di Indonesia. Cuman memang sekolahnya memang 6 tahun ya. Memang ya lumayan lah untuk misalkan untuk sekolah optometri dengan gelar it's a optometrist doctor for from CEU is optometrist doctor or doctor of optometry.
Yeah.
OD ya, OD.
OD.
How about after you graduate? How about the profession in there? Profession
After
optometrist in there.
after you graduate, you should be able to pass the licensure exam, and then
Yes.
you can um, you can practice on different fields. So
Hmm.
you can go to pediatric optometry, behavioral optometry, prosthetics, ocular prosthetics, vision therapy, low vision. Low vision is my favorite.
This is low vision.
Yeah.
I think you can share again a Logmart, Bailey Lovey. And it's not only in optic, yes, because in Indonesia we identically my profession with optic. It's only
Optics.
in optic, huh?
Okay.
Not in clinic.
Okay.
After 3 years we are graduate. We also and I think in Indonesia we only think about optometrist is only in optics, not in the clinics.
So it's mostly refraction.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Oke, teman-teman semuanya, bagi yang punya pertanyaan bisa langsung aja ya di kolom komentar. Nanti saya coba translate sebisa mungkin ya. How about good evening in the Philippines language?
Translate.
Yes.
Good evening. Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi. Okay, magandang gabi Kino. Yeah. I think it's the phrase and the word is like same in Indonesia. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. The word
Yeah.
same in Indonesia. It's like
From what I recall, payo.
kambing, payo. Yes. It's same berarti ya. Jadi ada beberapa kata yang memang sama ya di Filipina dan juga di Indonesia. Oke, teman-teman yang baru gabung ya, kita masih bersama dengan optometris dari Filipina ya. Beliau namanya Mr. Kyle Kino Idalangin. Bagi teman-teman yang punya pertanyaan ataupun seputar optometris maupun seputar kesehatan mata bisa langsung kita sharing di sini. Jangan malu-malu ya. Oke, Kino. How about and in Indonesia we only school in 3 years. After that we choose work in optic, in clinical, in hospital.
Okay.
How about after you graduate, it's only field in optics or not?
No.
In there? No.
No. So yun nga, you can practice in field of ophthalmic optics, the pediatrics, clinical,
Yeah.
vision.
Jadi di sana bisa beberapa ya, beberapa tempat, terutama ada di klinik Law Vision salah satunya ya. Beberapa optometris di sana sudah mulai menyebar ya. Bagi teman-teman semuanya, silakan ada yang mau ditanyakan bisa langsung ditanyakan saja ya, karena waktu kita terbatas. It's only 30 minutes.
Oh, okay.
because
It's the optometry month.
on Instagram it's only can record 1 hours. After that we lost.
Okay.
Okay, next you can share again about optometry study or enough. Kini.
Ano ba? We can do our part as an optometrist because it is this COVID-19, the screen time of every person is really high. So we can educate other people. It is important to educate other people to how to take care of their eyes, how to, especially the children. We can use social media or even as you as an optometrist, you can educate people para so there would be the effects of digital platforms would lessen.
Oh yes.
It's our duty naman.
And in there, do you often do a counseling there, like counseling eye health?
Yes, it is part of the after when you dispense your eyeglasses. It's part of it.
You dispense with the automatic machine or not?
For some, they use automatic.
Automatic.
But for some, then they use manual, like that.
Yes, like here.
Yeah.
In here is only manual and semi-auto. We using manual and semi-auto because we only have that machine in here.
You only have?
We only have a manual and semi-auto. We haven't automatic.
Okay. The lens edger.
Yeah, in the school. And what will you do when you graduate?
Right now I had my written exam. However, my practical exam was postponed on October. So I'm just waiting for the
October in this year.
Yes, because we can practice optometry without our life. There's someone
someone is to ask
tell us the story of your own.
From ini dari Bu Hana ya. Ada cerita yang unik gitu.
Okay, so
Yeah.
Actually,
unique story.
At first I don't study a lot. I'm always sleeping, going out. But right after I had my fifth year I had my patients na clinical. Okay, so right after that I became more interested in optometry. I read books, I read cases just to know what to do in case I had that kind of patient. So yeah, it's just full of enjoyment.
Yes.
On my student years.
Jadi berarti sebelumnya ternyata ya karena bukan pilihan utamanya Bu, jadi dari awal akhirnya buka-buka baca buku semua. Oh, are there many students? Are
In my batch, we are 120
wow.
in my batch. So it is 6 year curriculum.
Because in here is very few, is very not many gitu.
Yeah.
It's very few, very few, very few.
How many are there per batch?
We have per class is 18 or
Okay.
20, 21. It's not until 40. Even though we want 40 students in here, but we still developing until we have 40 students.
Okay.
Oke, Yohana. Ya, silakan barangkali ada lagi yang mau ditanyakan. Ternyata susah juga ya. It's only too hard ya. How about language in your school? It's full English or with the Philippine
No.
language?
Yeah,
No.
we speak Filipino, but
Oh.
if there are any foreign students, English.
Oh, if I come to Philippines, it's
English.
teaching English. Oh,
Yes. Every
It's not
every class, it's not Filipino language. It's in English, so everyone can understand.
yes.
There are many foreign students here in the Philippines.
Okay, I think if I come to Philippines, you can teach me about your language and about your because yes, same in here we're using Indonesian. It's not other language because it's very difficult. Yeah, it's like English. Yeah. English, French. It's not very difficult.
Okay.
Okay. I think it's only we have 1 or 2 minutes left, yeah. Because it's very important and very special moment with you. I hope it is a special moment with you. When you come here again.
I don't know. Maybe a few
think
years.
yes. I think you can get a ticket again to Jakarta and then you can live again in Tasikmalaya.
Are you far from Bali?
Yeah.
Are you far from Bali?
Yes. It's too far. Yes. Maybe
You need
one day or
Oh,
12
What?
hours.
12 hours drive.
Yes, if we use a land, If we using land, I think for 30 minutes or 1 hours to Bali, we can go to Bali. Yeah, Bali is a favorite people. Favorite people. You can swimming, you can party, you can take a best photos in the sunset. You can do it. Okay, Gino, I think enough.
Okay.
Thank
Okay.
you for your sharing, for your information, and it's very special for me because it's too long. Too long. We can meet again, and now we can meet in a special moment, even though we want to meet again. Yes.
Okay. Thanks for having me.
Yes.
If there are any questions regarding optometry, your students, your colleagues, you can message me.
Yes. Okay. We will send
Sorry,
you.
my friends
our
are commenting.
hello, hi Kino.
Okay.
It's not your fan, but your friend, yeah. Okay, Kino. One question for me, and what is it's what do you hoping to optometrist in in the future? What about you
One.
hopping? Yeah,
Okay.
hopping.
Okay. I want to specialize in low vision, and I am planning to put up my own clinic
Hmm.
in the future. So right now I'm really far from where I want to be, but every year you have to work for it.
Yes, perfect. Perfect. If you after your graduates, you can come to Indonesia. You can teach
Mm.
student in Indonesia. I think
Oh
maybe
yeah.
maybe
Okay.
you can teach low vision or refraction. Yeah.
That would be good in the future.
Ah.
Mm.
Okay, I think enough.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Kino. I'm sorry
Thank you.
if any mistakes. I'm sorry if it's not good for me, yeah, because the signal is not good. But I'm very happy. I'm
Aram
very happy.
join.
I'm very happy. Please, Aram Joy. Quack 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 quack. Ini very motivational. Hello, Aram. I think we can. I will invite you later.
Yeah. Invite
I
Aram.
think
He's a good.
Aram Kino Maria ya Maria Joan
Mm.
Dana ya. Oke. Oke Gino, see you
Okay.
again with
Thank
me
you.
in the next show. Thank you
Okay.
very much.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.
Yes. Bye bye.
See you soon, bro.
Yeah, see you soon.
Sige. Thank you.
You're welcome. Oke, mungkin itu saja ya. Terima kasih buat teman-teman semuanya yang udah berani atau udah gabung ya. Terima kasih buat Bu Hana yang udah bertanya ya. Sini juga, oh ya, thank you ya. You're welcome. Mungkin nanti kita bisa sharing lagi tentang optometri. Dan mohon maaf untuk segala kata-kata yang salah mungkin ya yang tidak berkenan. Saya mohon maaf. Sekian dari saya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.